Okay. All right. So it goes without saying it's important to know where your child is, what your child is doing, and how your child's engagement is going to benefit that child. And with that said, editor of Raising Jamaica, Tina Marie Williams, has joined me to discuss ideas for your child's summer break. Well, it's April, but I guess we can start to think about it, and why all stakeholders should join the discussion. Good morning. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Summer is still a little ways away, but parents are probably already stressing about what they're going to do with their kids come that time of year. You have some suggestions? What do those suggestions include?
Yes, it is spring. It is the end of April, but it's still a great time to start thinking about the summer camps. And the reason why is so that as a parent, you can prepare financially, but also starting earlier allows you to really find out what's in the space, the summer camp ecosystem as I call it, and really choose something that caters to your child. And what will be coming up soon, this Saturday, is iCamp Jamaica Summer Camp Expo. It's the first time an expo of this nature is on the island, where the summer camp ecosystem is coming together collectively, supporting one another, and giving parents the space and the opportunity to speak individually to camp directors, camp program managers, and find out exactly what's happening and what's here.
So it's called iCamp Jamaica, and it happens on Saturday where?
The 27th at Campion College Auditorium.
At Campion.
Yes, 10 to 6.
And how many exhibitors will you be having there?
Right now we're looking at 25, but it's growing as we speak. This morning, I guess just after some more promotion, some more are coming on board. I spent the year mapping, as I call the summer camp sector, and in the Kingston St. Andrew municipality, there are about 65 summer camps. 70 that I've found so far island-wide, and 25 are on board. So there are definitely quality programming available on the island.
Yeah, after this morning, you're probably going to double that figure, because there are people watching who will want to be able to showcase with you. But what's the range of offerings that you would have on Saturday? What kind of camps are we looking at, or does it cover the whole gambit?
It's really exciting, Simone. There are from scuba diving camps with marine biologists to craft camps for the child that likes to do arts and crafts, swim camps, the traditional residential sleepover camps that have different themes happening when you go to those type of camps. There's a lot on the island, and a lot that will be at the Expo.
Yeah, why did you think this important, Tina Marie? You have 3 kids of your own, yes?
Yes,
One born here.
Yes.
You were born in Canada.
Yes.
But you have a Jamaican link, obviously.
Yes.
Jamaican
Parents.
parentage.
Yes.
Why did you think this was important to do?
I felt it was important because after being here now 5 years, my first 2 years or so, I felt very frustrated. When my first 2 were becoming of age to go to summer camps, most start at 4 years old. And I was thinking, gosh, it's almost July, I don't know what's here. I only really know the camp associated with their school, which is more of a summer school, and maybe one down the road. And I thought, there has to be a better way. So after 2 years, I thought, let me stop complaining and just bring a concept here that I've seen abroad. And it helps the parents, but also the summer camps, which I found were not really promoting themselves so well. And, just brings them together. They can lean on each other and build their capacity and training together, but also gives parents that great opportunity to really know what's happening.
Yeah, I think it's a brilliant idea. Not only do you get to find out what the options are out there, you get to meet the people who are running it, you get to ask them the questions, because these people will have your children.
Definitely.
4 days at a time over the summer. And it's important, I think, to have the kids engaged in something, because boredom will mad them. Right?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Summer camp is extending learning, extending education, but outside of the traditional classroom. So that is one major benefit.
Yeah, and I'm hoping that we'll be able to get a range of costs too, because some are so expensive, others a lot more competitive and enjoyable. for the kids. So if the parents can start to plan from now, as you say, financially, then it's a win-win for everybody involved.
Right.
Okay, so give us the details again. It's Saturday.
Yes, so
Camp
iCamp
College.
Jamaica Summer Camp Expo will be Saturday the 27th, this Saturday at Campion College Auditorium, 10 a.m. until 6. And adults, entry is just 500, children free. There will be face painting and some creativity as well. A few speakers talking about the benefits of summer camp, factors to consider when choosing a camp. And I'm so proud as well, one of the camp directors from Holy Trinity Camp, who runs a camp every year in central Kingston, downtown Kingston, will be speaking and talking about the impact that summer camp has had on the children in that area.
Of course.
And she's really great.
course.
You know, that camp is free for those children and relies on donations. So
Excellent.
come on down.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Tina Marie, and this one Saturday you're doing it, right?
Yes, once this year.
Okay, so you have to jump on board. Saturday, 10 o'clock, Campion College, 10 to 6. Go find out what summer camp is available for your child so you can start making plans early. Editor of Raising Jamaicans, thank you on behalf of our parents for doing the homework for us. Tina Marie Williams joining us now. We're going to learn a thing or two from, we have time? Yes, we do. From the GOAT, the golf king, Tiger Woods, after the break. Thank you very much.